Hello everyone. I wanted to come on today and just give you a couple of quick things about my favorite glue stick. This is Elmer's Extreme School Glue Stick. It comes in a couple of different sizes. There may even be a smaller one. I happen to get two different sizes quite often. This one for larger projects, this one for smaller. I really like this glue stick for a couple of reasons. One, it has never failed to stick paper together for me. It seems to stick always, and that is an important fact when I'm trying to do a project. It also does not get all melted when you use it. So often a glue stick it'll get soft as you're using it, and granted, over time this one will do that because it gets warm, especially under the video lights. So that is one of the things that I look for in a stick, that it doesn't soften up too fast, and this one is just really good. I am just doing a little tiny glue book project today just because I wanted to show you how it worked. But you notice that it seems to keep the edges all down. That's an important part. It doesn't squash around too much. Over time, and using it, say if I'm sitting here gluing for 2 or 3 hours, yeah, it'll get warm because my hand gets warm. But for the most part, it does not do that. It sticks, and the pieces that I stick down stay stuck. It works really well on paper, and it seems to work really well for other things like fabric, etc. Alrighty everyone, I just really wanted to tell you about my favorite glue stick, Elmer's Extreme, and let you know that I have a new Amazon store and an Amazon affiliate links down in the description box. I do gain a little tiny commission if you purchase through Amazon. It's not a big deal, but I just wanted to let you know that I do have a new store. And I thank you for watching. Now, go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.